So I'm looking for coffee here. We have Bali, we have Bajawa, which I have no idea. We have what? Something Sindoro. I'll go with Kopi Tubruk. I have no idea. Sumatra. Okay, let's go with Coffee Sumatra. Got a hot water here. Let's try some pop. Kari ayam. Rasa ayam. Kari rasa soto. Yeah, I think I want soto. So I saw a vlog by Connor Sullivan. I hope I got your name right. And he described this emping manis pedas as caramel popcorn with Indonesian spice. But I'm having a sore throat right now. I'm not sure if this is a good choice, but yeah, go with it. So it's confirmed that we had an earthquake yesterday at about 7 o'clock Jakarta time, and I felt some shake while I was having dinner. It lasted about 5 seconds, 5 to 10, not more than 10 seconds actually. Magnitude 6.9 earthquake just west side of the Java island, which is quite near to me. The sea right over here, and this is the Java part of the sea. So we could have tsunami anytime, but no. Right after the earthquake, the surau immediately began singing. I don't know what's the purpose of it. Why not make use of the facility to do some public service instead? So anyway, I am fine. No tsunami warning. Just had my breakfast. Got stuck here, nothing to do, and just enjoying the breeze, the sea breeze and the wave. It's a oh hello chicken. It's a Saturday, so there should be more people than this, and I should be able to get food. So you sit in a hut like this, and the kitchen is back here. I think she lives here. The complimentary tea. One thing I noticed that they like to use chili. There's quite a few over here. Wow, after you eat chili, you get all sweaty, and especially in this weather, you would want to be sweaty. It's very hot. Look at all this coffee, packaged coffee. Where are you going? 3:45 p.m. heading to waterfall and try to get some good shots. Sun is shining. Sky is mostly clear, so it's a little bit hazy, but I think we can manage it. So I walked through some farm just to realize that there's a very nice lorong here. Well, there I no need to walk. It's so narrow, walao. Oh almost fall down some more. This is amazing. Dinner was great, although it's a little bit spicy, but overall great place. One of the more decent place to have your meal rather than eating in a hut. So this is a proper restaurant. Pricing was okay. Had ayam penyet, tauhu and tempeh add on with fried kangkong and iced tea. So that was about 42k. A bit pricey for this place standard, I suppose. So I asked the lady where I can get ojek because I want to get back to Pelabuhan Ratu to go back to Jakarta tomorrow. And she told me yesterday that the elf meaning the minivan, the elf broken down. You can't get to the town or something like that. But that's like a typical scammer thing to say, that when you ask about transportation to a certain place and they tell you that it's broken down, it's closed down or whatever. But it's okay. I don't want to take the elf anymore because the journey is so long, so long, and it goes through all the small villages making tons of stops. So anyway, tomorrow at 9 in the morning I will be taking the bike to Pelabuhan Ratu, and from there I can take a bus straight to Bogor and then transit a commuter train back to Jakarta. I should take a bike license so that I can rent a bike and go around instead of relying on public transport too much. It's not a bad thing taking a public transport, but sometimes in places like this there is no public transport, there is zero public transport, then you can't go very far or go to many places. Like right now I am stuck here for 2 days. I only went to 1 churuk instead of the 3, 4, 5 churuks around here. Too bad, but okay, we just take it as a time to unwind and relax a little bit. Larutan cap kaki 5. So this is to reduce your body heat, and I need that also, getting some sore throat. I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you and good night.